Hello, good morning, and we are here at Mentero Hospital in Pangasinan City. I'm here with baby Martha Grace, and today is February 5, 2023. Say hi to the camera, baby Martha. What will you say to the camera? Yes, hello, good afternoon. I'm here with baby Martha Grace. What will you say to the camera, baby Martha? Huh? Oh? Oh. You hit daddy? Oh. What will you say to the camera? Is your hand delicious? Daddy will remove. Is your hand delicious? Huh? Do you like it? Do you like your hand? Say hi. Hi. Hello. Baby Martha. What are you doing, baby Martha? Baby Martha? What are you doing? Smile to the camera. Smile. Oh, Daddy will hold your hand. Smile to the camera. Smile. 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 Smile to the camera. Oh. Hello. Oh. Hello. What will you say? Say hi to the camera. Hi. Hello. Yes. What will you say to the camera? Hello. Happy birthday, mommy. Oh, smiling. Oh. Smile ka. Smile. Yeah, you smile. Oh. Oh, yes. You're smiling, smiling. You're smiling. Oh. Oh, yes. You're smiling, smiling. You're smiling. Oh, what will you say? Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh. Camera. Smile. Smile to the camera. Smile. Oh. Baby Martha. Yeah. Huh? Oh, why? Why? You don't like to sleep? Then let's play together. Baby Martha? Baby Martha? Oh, why so pretty? So pretty? Ano pa gusto na magsalita ni Baby Martha? Anong sasabihin mo, Baby Martha? What will you say to our netizen? Okay. Oh, and then what else? What will you say to the camera?